Hello, welcome back to our channel. Wow, aeroplane. हाँ तो we are completely sober and teetotalers, but we are
कहाँ से किया बाबा?
YouTube. हम पीते नहीं है बट यहाँ पे वाइन फेस्टिवल मनाया जा रहा है इन जर्मनी एंड हमको एक्सपीरियंस करना था वो कैसे रहेगा. तो वी आर गोइंग देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ सच फेस्टिवल्स जहाँ पे वो लोग या तो बियर पीते हैं या वाइन. वी हैव बीन टू सम फेस्टिवल्स वेयर दे ड्रिंक बियर ओरिजिनली बट टुडे
Volksfest और Oktoberfest.
या उसको वासन बोलते हैं ना.
Wasser in Stuttgart.
Yeah.
The region.
But जहाँ पे आज जा रहे there people drink wine and there are a lot of varieties of wine.
So it's end of summer and end of harvest season for grapes.
इसलिए.
Yes.
This I did not know, but yes, makes sense now. So it's almost end of summer. You can see it's slightly grey.
And it's almost
September.
end of Weinfest also. It has already ended in Stuttgart. So since I travel between cities and it will be ending soon in Frankfurt. So we thought we'll go and have a look. So see you in
Wine festival.
last few days for such water fountains.
Actually, fountains won't be running in winter. So, this is like almost last 1 or 2 weekend. ये चलता रहेगा. Then they will put them off.
Where are we currently?
We are in Frankfurt Taunus Anlage. It is right across Altoper. Altoper is actually opera house, so there are many musicians who come in and play.
No, this is Alt Opera. There is new opera house as well.
Yeah, but here also music plays, right?
I don't know about that, but
It
there is
does.
new one in Willy Brandt Platz.
I know.
And we have officially entered in Wine Markt.
Festival.
So they call it Wine Markt. I don't know, in Stuttgart they call it Wine Dorf. Dorf is a village and Markt is a market. So, and we can see a lot of people enjoying here.
Yaar, no, different round.
In a town in a country of alcohol,
That looks like a nice shop. Right?
non-alcoholic people like us do exist. This one,
We have
yes.
some yummy food there.
Yeah, we'll try something out. Something
Let me see
vegetarian
what
as well.
Either we have veg stew option with rice and sausage, or we have mushroom along with a bread roll. This is all meat, but we are vegetarian, so we don't eat any of this.
ಏನದು ಇಲ್ಲ
See, these are the prices of various wines. They start from 3.5 and they go up to 4 for one glass, which is not bad. But it's expensive also because for up to 2.5 euros, you get some like big glasses of wine bottles. I wonder why this is so crowded as compared to the other one. Is the wine cheap here? No, actually it starts from 3.5 and goes up to 5.5. But somehow people are more here. Maybe it's better wine. I don't understand since I don't drink. This is also a good option for vegetarians. It's called grill kesar. So it is like paneer but not paneer. It's some sort of cheese again, which can be grilled. It does not melt, and they eat it between breads. Not bad.
Argentina.
Since we are in a festival, everything is expensive. Otherwise, I think grill kesar with bread should be around 6 euros.
Yeah.
But it's 2 euros additional here. This was like a typical German way of selling it, na? We haven't seen such. It's drizzling slightly, and the smell of popcorn in almost winter is so surreal. Makes me miss my home so much. Best part about Europe is you'll find toilets everywhere. One is right behind me. And worst part about it is that you pay always. €1. I would rather not pay. Here they are like roasting fish, big fish called laks. I don't know what laks is called in English. It started raining, but you can see people so passionately drinking wine even now. अपने छतरी के अंडर.
And it's also cold.
See. बाहर ठंडी अंदर गरम. If you're from Karnataka, you'll know something like mudde. These are not very different by the taste of it. These are made of bread. And they have given it with two sauces. This is curd-based herb sauce. And this is garlic sauce. With some cabbage.
That flight is 700 euros.
Very mild on taste.
Yeah, so it's just
I think we should have taken some vegetables and finger chips along because this is very basic, but it is one of the soul foods that you can have in winters. Warm, comforting,
the other one doesn't know they're getting fired again.
vegetarian, importantly.
So, what do you think? How was the evening?
बहुत अच्छा था. Now I regret not coming here sooner. We actually made it just in time. Tomorrow is the last day and we did it today. But
And it's
this
our
is-
third year in Germany, and
Yeah.
this is the first time that we have come here, right?
Yeah. But it is going this way. Car is this way.
But there is one more car behind it.
So don't be like us. Next time when you encounter a wine festival, don't miss it. It was really very good in comparison with other beer festivals because people drink like jugs of beer and act crazy sometimes. Whereas wine festival, we were observing people take it very slow. They were talking. It was more about connecting with others, family, friends, colleagues, and it was so slow and everybody were in the moment just sipping on their wine glasses. So I would highly recommend this festival. If you have a chance, then go for it.
Yeah, just take a table, take a wine, something to eat, and sit there and completely spend your evening. Have fun. बस इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं कह सकता. मेरा इतना ही है. चलो बाय बाय.